This is butter chicken from scratch. What a great healthy meal. No preservatives. It's not out of a jar or a can. Butter chicken from scratch. It's very easy to make. It's not the jarred stuff. This is real butter chicken. You can make it as spicy and as flavorful as you like. So I've got 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, skinless, and what I've done is I've cut it into bite-sized cubes. The recipe for this is below in the comments. I've got some full-fat Greek yogurt into the bowl, some fresh chopped ginger, a couple of cloves of garlic, minced. I've got some turmeric. That adds a really nice color. And I've got some Indian curry powder, some nice fresh Indian curry powder. Some garam masala. Garam masala really adds that authentic Indian flavor taste. And this is ground cumin. And the spice is going to be some cayenne pepper. And a tablespoon of lemon juice. I like to squeeze my lemons and put it into a little squeeze bottle like this. So there's a tablespoon. Mix all this up. 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, skinless, boneless. I'm just going to put this into coat. I've cut it into little bite-sized pieces. I'll just coat that. Oh, that smells really good. No preservatives or anything. It's not canned or jarred. There, that's well coated. I've got a Ziploc bag. There, I got most of it into the bag. I'm going to burp the air out of it, seal it up. And you can add some red food coloring if you want, if you like yours really red. But I'm just keeping this one really natural today. No food coloring. I'm going to put it on this plate. I'm going to put it in the fridge. I'm going to marinate it for 2 to 4 hours. We'll see how the day goes. Okay, so I marinated the butter chicken for exactly 4 hours in the fridge. It smells really good. And I massaged it and I flipped it. And so for the next part, for cooking it, got a couple tablespoons of butter. And I'm on a medium-high heat here. There, the butter is nicely melted, foaming a little bit. Now we're going to take this mixture, just pour everything in. The chicken, the marinade, everything. This will be 4 servings. There, that's been about 2.5, 3 minutes. And I can see how it's starting to go white. So I'm just going to flip this around, keep on stirring. I'll go another 3 minutes. We got 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. A cup of chopped tomatoes. And salt and pepper to taste. I've got some kosher salt here. It's a ½ teaspoon. And some fresh cracked pepper. All to taste. Now at this stage you could put in some hot peppers, but I like to put my hot peppers on top at the table. So I'm just going to stir this in. And we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. You want to bring it up to like a high simmer to evaporate it. And the heavy cream will thicken nicely. Okay, there's 19 minutes. Now what I'm going to do, and this is nicely reduced, you have to use real whipping cream. You can use coconut milk if you like, but I prefer the real whipping cream. And the sides for this would be grilled zucchini, or today I'm going with cauliflower, just pieces, and they've been blanched, and then they just dried. So this is just going to get tossed in here, just to soak up some of that flavor. Oh yeah, butter chicken from scratch. We're just going to heat this up. That'll soak up that sauce. I'll just warm that for 2 minutes. But at this stage here, you want to try and find a little bit of sauce and taste it for salt and pepper and heat and adjust. That's perfect. Perfect amount of salt, perfect amount of pepper. But we're going to add a couple of little things in here. I've got some cilantro, and I'm going to put just like a little bit in because I want to use the rest for a garnish. Just a little bit, just for some nice color and flavor. There, see how that cauliflower soaked up the rest of the juices, the buttered chicken gravy? That's perfect. I'm not going to go any more. I'm going to turn off my induction burner. That's just perfect right there. I'll slide this. I'm going to serve it in this dish. So I've got some chopped jalapenos, which I'm going to serve on top, and some chopped cilantro. And just serve it in this dish. You've got your veg in there. So imagine you can do broccoli or grilled zucchini. But there you go. There's butter chicken from scratch. Thanks for watching.